Hello, this is a really quick video about a meal I made. It's a little bit unusual because it's like a chili con carne with Quorn mince, but it's got lots of mixed vegetables in there. So basically it's nice, it's very healthy, and I've just had it and it tasted really nice. It wasn't too hot. What I did was got the mince, I marinated it in the Tesco's hot chili sauce there overnight, and then what did I do next? Oh yeah, I defrosted the vegetables. I steamed them actually. I've got a steamer, I've got a microwave steamer. I steamed them, then I chopped up. Oh yeah, I added that into the mix before I steamed them. Chopped up onion, red onion, quite small pieces. I didn't put the garlic, you can see the garlic there, I put that in later when I roasted the whole thing. So basically I added, while I was marinating it, added some of that Econa hot pepper sauce. Not much, just a little bit, perhaps half a lid full, not even that, just a very small amount into the mix to marinate it, to give it a bit of spice. But to be honest, it didn't come out that hot because I put so many vegetables in there, as you can see, that it didn't really come out that hot anyway, which was good really, I suppose. So basically, once everything goes in there, you mix it up with the marinated mince, and then I split it in half. I used half of it, roasted the half of it, and in then went the chopped up garlic, one of those. I've got two left. And then basically for about half an hour, 25 minutes, roasted it for 25 minutes, and then had it with rice. It's a nice meal actually, not the hottest chili con carne I've ever had, but to be honest, sometimes I can go a bit far with having it hot. So yeah, pretty good meal, very, very healthy. They say the mince sort of melts in your mouth really, and yeah, very nice meal. And I thought I'd put a little video on the channel just to report that it came out pretty well. Yeah, nice meal. Thank you very much for your time.